We have with us Dr. Paidi Yella Reddy, founder, president and CEO of Sapala Organics. Good afternoon, sir. Would you talk about Sapala Organics and what's the role that Sapala is playing in Indian pharma sector?
Yeah, I think Sapala is a very unique type company, not anything related to bulk, but we are in the for future personalized medicine area where it's away from traditional. But yes, we supply the basic technology for the future medicine like mRNA vaccine, like corona vaccine. During the corona period, we are the key players for supplying of the technology and raw materials for Pfizer, Moderna vaccines that everyone knows around here. And basically, yes, it's the only company in India among the first top 5 to 10 companies in the world who is looking for the future medicine. And we develop basic technology and supply to the worldwide top pharma players. And yes, with more than 300 scientists, and we develop a lot of hundreds of molecules which is used for the future medicinal personalized medicine. And of course, it's in India also now. During the for years we know that big pharma player in the world, but still we talk about bulk manufacturing APIs. In the next 5 to 10 years, the pharma is going to change the direction. This is the area where we have initiated, started working together with the Japanese collaboration, and that's what I hope that India everybody understand now. Just talking only bulk volumes is not important. Technology is innovation is very important, which lack in India.
So areas where you are working along with your Japanese partner, which are the areas where you are working along with your Japanese partner?
This is DNA, RNA, as well you know that, each, all the diseases, ultimately if you see that, it's connected to genes.
Okay.
So after genome mapping in 2000, it is clear that which disease is connected to which gene, what is the defect in gene. Then instead of trying, thousands of hundreds of molecules and it and trial in the dark, this is the directly we know that exactly part of the defect in the gene. Directly we target that, and we develop the same sequence in the DNA in the lab, and put in the together with the drug delivery system and DNA sequence put in the body. Ultimately, all these, for present diseases, every day we take one tablet to control the disease. What I am talking now is just lifetime. One injection is good enough to control entire. So now worldwide 3,000 companies are working on this, and 2015 is the first medicine came in this field. In the last 10 years, we have 25 drugs are in the US FDA drugs are in the field now. So future targets like sugar, cancer, almost all diseases now worldwide 3,000 companies are working to develop such medicine.
And how many companies are working in India on this particular aspect?
In India, yes, not many. There are some companies who makes some materials and supply to the foreign companies. India, no company is in this field now. Not now, even before also no company is in the discovery area. But worldwide top players, they are working on this. We are developing technology for them.
And how do you see the future of pharma both in India as well as globally?
Yeah, globally anyway, as I mentioned, it's next 10 years, entire pharma direction is going to be, as we discussed, precise medicine and personalized medicine is going to play a key role. Still in India, we need to learn a lot, and internal collaboration, government policies, and pharma owners' attitude has to be, changed to take up these new innovations. But India is still not seen and yet to start. And lot of our Indian, through brainstorm, lot of talented pool going abroad, and most of the world top pharma companies, lot of Indians are working in the top level. Unfortunately, in India that is not happening. We hope that in coming days, those they come back and start, and India take up these challenges. In coming days, India also going to be a world leader in the pharma.
And how cost effective would be, sir, the personalized medicine part?
But at beginning, still at development stage, it's said to be expensive.
Okay.
But as I mentioned there, instead of taking every drug lifetime, only one time injection, one time investment, and in coming days, since it is just at the beginning, still it's expensive, but once started developing, come into the bulk, definitely is going to be, drastic cost down for this.
And what would be the permutations and combinations of these genomics that you are talking about? How many types of such injections or such tablets?
Actually, as of now, that in human genome, active genes are 20,000.
Okay.
Gene produces one type of protein where directly connected to the disease. That means 20,000 of almost very close the diseases. Each gene is the reason. That means 20,000 type of variety variations you can do that. Okay. But of course, person to person, even in the family, the person in the family, in brother, sisters, father to children, also there will be slight variation. Okay. That is called personalized medicine. Okay. So once when you during childhood you take some sample and genome mapping, see that where is a defect and which during the course of the lifetime, sometime particular gene is expressed and disease starts coming. So we know that once you take sample and lifetime the genes are going to be same. Once you identify that this is the gene is going to affect at certain age, definitely will get ready for that, keep medicine for you. That medicine works only for you, not for other person. So that is what advanced medicine in future.
So what will happen to the other medicines which are there as a bulk
there is
drug?
Definitely now already seen some, last 10 years, there are several medicine, coming into there. Ultimately, like a sugar, it comes one injection, all other medicines has to be, take it back.
Okay. So, and how do you see the R&D work here in India, and what needs to be done, or what is your advice to the government?
Yeah, government is, that is a very serious matter. Government need to think about it. Lot of R&D centers in India. These research institutes, R&D centers, universities, of course, universities is playing great role in educating the people, and the research institute also educating in the research. But unfortunately, they are not making the talented innovators, and definitely need to put more efforts. And compared to few decades before, now in India also enough to resources to spend, and these institutes are strengthened, and talented skilled people attracted back and accommodated in the institutes, and the institutes are upgraded to take these challenges. Definitely there is a government need to drastic think about it, and put high level people who understand well, because some politicians making decision about pharma is not really good. Then create a high world top level people who understand well about this, how to take it changes into this. Definitely incorporation is required. This is the right time to think about it.